Hi guys, Rick from Newcastle Vehicle Exchange here. Another late model commercial has just come in. This is a 2020 model Mitsubishi Triton GLX. It's the 2.4 litre turbo diesel 4x2. It's travelled 127,000 kilometres. It's had one owner since new. Lots of receipts for all the servicing along the way. 6-speed manual and drives very well. We've just replaced the front tyres. Rear tyres are excellent. Has got a tow bar, as you can see. Now, it isn't fitted with electric brakes, but if you add electric brakes, these little workhorses can tow up to 2.5 tonne. So fantastic towing capacity there. You can see it's got the builder's racks, 2 toolboxes. Very, very good truck. Now, there's a couple of flaws I want to show you. One is a little bump here. And funny enough, in the exact same spot on the other side, same thing. Other than that, it's in very good condition. Inside, no tears in the seats or anything like that. Has got on the steering wheel here cruise control, Bluetooth, reversing camera. Good in the trim, guys. Down here you've got the USB, and this is a throttle controller, so I don't know how to use it, but it's there. So 2020 model, 127 Ks, 2.4 litre turbo diesel. We are Newcastle Vehicle Exchange, 264 Turton Road, New Lambton, in beautiful Newcastle, and right next door to McDonald Jones Stadium. Guys, this is just an amateur video to give you the confidence to come on down. If you are interested, allow for those couple of little bumps. Otherwise, this is a very, very good one owner workhorse ready to go. Guys, if you get a moment, please click on the link first. Make sure the vehicle's still available. And if you have a chance, check out our reviews. 4.9 out of 5 stars for the last 20 years. So we're very proud of our reputation here in Newcastle. So thanks guys for watching my amateur video, and have a great day.